Today our topic is quadratic expressions. What is the quadratic expression? An expression is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is called the quadratic expression. Why we call it quadratic expression? Here highest power of the variable is 2. So we are calling it as quadratic expression. Take it as y. Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now this is called quadratic function. Take ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now this is called quadratic equation. We are very much known about the roots of this equation, right? Which are x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Now we come to this function. Y is equal to x square plus bx plus c is called quadratic function, right? Here for different values of x, we get different y values. When we take these x and y values, by using these x and y values, we can draw the graph of this expression, graph of this function. Now, what is the graph of this quadratic function? If we want to know all the properties of quadratic expression, definitely we must know about the graph of this expression. What is the graph of this quadratic expression? Graph of this expression will be parabola. Either parabola will be like this or like this. Here parabola opens upward. Here parabola opens downward. When it opens up, when it opens down, it depends on the quotient of x square, which is a. If a is positive, then parabola opens upward. If a is negative, a is less than 0, then the shape will be like this. In this case, parabola opens downward. So when a is positive, parabola will be like this. Here, this point is called vertex of the parabola. Where is the vertex here? Here, this is the vertex. Now the coordinates of the vertex. What is the x coordinate of the vertex? Minus b by 2a. What is the y coordinate of the vertex? Minus d by 4a. Here what is d? D is nothing but discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. So minus of b square minus 4ac by 4a is the y coordinate of the vertex. Here vertex is here. So what is the x coordinate? Minus b by 2a. What is the y coordinate? Minus d by 4a. This is the vertex of the parabola. Now, clearly notice that here vertex is the minimum point. Here vertex is the minimum point. It means lowest point. It is the lowest point on the graph. Here it is the highest point on the graph. So, when a is positive, we can find the minimum value of the expression. You can't find the maximum value in this case because graph extend like this. It means it goes to plus infinite. You can't find the maximum value. You can find the minimum value of the expression, which is y coordinate of the vertex. So when a is positive, expression has minimum value, which is minus d by 4a. You can't find the maximum value in this case. Now come to this step. Here, this is the highest point, right? So you can find the maximum value of the expression. You can't find the minimum value here because graph extend like this. It goes to minus infinite. So we can find only maximum value of the expression in this case. What is the maximum value? Minus d by 4a. Notice that either minimum value or maximum value both are same. Minus d by 4a, minus d by 4a. But the only thing is when the a is positive, the expression has minimum value, which is minus d by 4a. When a is less than 0, expression has maximum value, which is minus d by 4a. This is all about the minimum and maximum values. Notice that minimum and maximum occurs only at the vertex of the parabola. Only on the vertex of the parabola. Now we discuss about the roots of the expression. Now we discuss about the roots of the expression. If you want to find the roots, we need x-axis. We need x-axis. If the graph cuts x-axis, there only we can find the roots. If the graph cuts x-axis,